Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of home security with a detailed review of the Arlo VMC3030 Add-on Camera with motion detection. We found this product online and have added a link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. The Arlo VMC3030 is a versatile add-on camera designed to enhance your existing Arlo security system. It is a wire-free camera that provides high-definition video and features advanced motion detection capabilities. As an add-on, it's important to note that it requires an Arlo base station to function. This camera is perfect for those looking to expand their home security setup without the hassle of complicated installations or extensive wiring. One of the standout features of the Arlo VMC3030 is its patented 100% wire-free design. This means you can easily place the camera wherever you need it, whether that's indoors or outdoors. No need to worry about finding an outlet or dealing with messy cables. Whether you're monitoring your front porch, backyard, or living room, the flexibility and placement allows you to keep an eye on what matters most to you. Night vision is another essential feature that sets this camera apart. The Arlo VMC3030 can capture clear video even in low-light conditions, ensuring that you can monitor your property around the clock. This is particularly useful during nighttime when most intrusions occur. You can rest easy knowing that your home is being watched, even after the sun goes down. Motion detection is a key aspect of home security, and this camera does not disappoint. It sends notifications directly to your mobile device through the Arlo app whenever it detects motion. This means you'll be alerted immediately if any movement is registered, allowing you to respond quickly, whether that means checking the camera feed or contacting authorities if necessary. The camera also features 7 days of free rolling cloud storage, which means you can access recorded footage without any extra cost. The Arlo VMC3030 is designed to withstand the elements, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. With an operating temperature range of 32 degrees to 122 degrees Fahrenheit, it's resilient enough to function in various weather conditions. Whether it's a sunny day or a rainy night, you can rely on this camera to keep your home secure. Now, who is this camera suitable for? If you're a homeowner or renter looking to enhance your security system, this add-on camera is a fantastic choice. It's particularly useful for families with children or pets, as it allows you to monitor their activities remotely. Additionally, if you're someone who travels frequently, having an extra layer of surveillance can provide peace of mind while you're away from home. Practical use cases for the Arlo VMC3030 are abundant. For example, you can position it near entry points to your home, such as doors or windows, to keep an eye on any unusual activity. You can also use it to monitor your driveway or backyard, ensuring that you're aware of any potential threats. For parents, this camera can serve as a helpful tool to keep an eye on children playing outside or to monitor caregivers when you're not home. While the Arlo VMC3030 does not include audio functionality, it excels in providing visual monitoring and motion alerts. It's crucial to ensure you have a high-speed internet connection with a minimum of 1 megabit per second upstream for optimal performance, as this will ensure your camera remains connected and functional. In conclusion, the Arlo VMC3030 add-on camera with motion detection offers an impressive range of features that make it a valuable addition to your home security system. Its wire-free design, night vision capability, and motion detection alerts provide convenience and peace of mind. Whether you're enhancing your existing Arlo setup or